Alright, y'all, this is Kenneth here. I'm doing a little bit of work on my old lady's car. She drives a Ford Explorer XLT, and the problem she's having is she's getting water leakage in this car. Well, a lot of people think it's their windows. Well, if you look up here, these cars got moonroofs on them. You know, moonroof. If you look right in there, and you open your moonroof, you see a tiny little hole in there. Well, see what that hole does? That allows any water that gets in to drain. When that water drains, it goes down a tube, and it ends up coming out right here. See that? You see that right there? It's already got some water on it right there. So it might be draining okay. But you gotta take this off, all this off, to get to it. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna test. We'll take a little bit of water. I'm gonna pour it in that hole. Make sure it comes out that drain right there. Alright. I'm on top of the car now. See our hole back down in there? Pour a little bit of water down there. Now, already, I can see you don't hear that noise. You know, that little sucking noise that you should hear. Sure enough, it ain't coming out like it should. I'm gonna try to open it up here. See that right there? You see that right there? Look at that. Well, that's what we call gunk can build up. That clogs your drains right there. Shit fire, Lucy. God dang, God dolly. Look at that. Look at all that shit. Look at all that shit. Alright, so now, what we're gonna do, double check. We're gonna pour some more water in there. Comes out like it should. Hear it? See that? Came right on out of that son bitch. Sounds like the car took a piss. And that is how you unclog the draining plugs or hoses in a Ford Explorer. Let me clean all this fucking mess up.